Hi everyone, my name is Zitong Zeng.
My name is Kunjing Tian.
Today we'll be presenting our analysis on SDG Indicator 1.1.1, proportion of population below the international poverty line in Vietnam and Mexico. We'll talk about our models and how different real-life factors impact our models.
To create a truly accurate model, we need additional data like unemployment rate and information on factors like economic condition. For instance, in Mexico, the increasing education level would help decrease the poverty rate. We gather this information from sources like the World Bank or national reports.
For factors influencing Vietnam's poverty rate, I found the unemployment rate and the GDP growth rate over years are the most important factors. By plotting the data points in the graph, we can find that the trend of the unemployment rate is decreasing at a constant rate, while the GDP growth rate is fluctuating over years. By combining two factors together, we found the poverty rate won't keep decreasing. Its decreasing rates will be smaller as poverty rate approaches zero.
In Mexico, the level of education shows an increasing trend, reflecting steady improvement over time, while the economic performance shows a fluctuating pattern, indicating variability in growth and stability. They both lead to a result that the poverty rate demonstrates a decreasing trend, which suggests significant progress in poverty reduction.
When comparing our data, we notice that Vietnam's trend is decreasing at a decreasing rate, while Mexico's data is in a consistent decreasing trend. This difference influenced our choice of models. Vietnam's data suggests that an exponential model might be suitable to reflect its poverty rate. On the other hand, the linear model seems more suitable to present Mexico's data. We prove this mathematically by comparing the R-squared in the exponential and linear function. In Vietnam, R-squared is closer to 1 in the exponential function compared to linear function, while in Mexico, R-squared is closer to 1 in the linear function compared to the exponential function.
In summary, the trend line of these real-life factors will affect our choice of models. Like the unemployment rate in Vietnam is decreasing but always greater than zero, and the GDP growth rate is fluctuating instead of keep increasing. They determined that the poverty rate won't continue to decrease, but will get closer and closer to zero. While both Vietnam and Mexico are working toward decreasing the poverty rate, differences in Vietnam and Mexico shape their progress in unique ways. These real-world factors lead us to choose different types of models.